Before we actually start assembling your cutter, a few words on where to place it. Stability is key to the operation of your cutter. When the unit is operational, the carriage head moves back and forth at a quick pace. Any sway or exaggerated movements and vibrations can hurt the quality of your cut. You'll also need to have access to both sides of your cutter since the media loads in the back of the machine. Dust and static are two big issues for cutters. Keep your cutter in a clean area and keep it away from anything magnetic or that draws a lot of electricity. If your plan is to put the cutter on a carpeted area, you may want to invest in an anti-static mat or perhaps put the cutter on a board or other non-conductive surface. Finally, the Titan runs on a standard 3-prong 110-volt plug. Make sure that you have one nearby and that it is properly grounded. Assuming you have all of those, remove your components from the box and inspect them. If you see anything bent or otherwise damaged, please contact USCutter support immediately before you assemble. Assuming that everything looks well, make sure that you find the pass key for your Vinyl Master software and do not throw it away. Put it next to your PC for now and we will deal with it a little later. Let's start by assembling the stand legs. Insert the screws through the legs and into the bottom of the stand and tighten them down to make inverse T's. Next, install the bottom center beam and the media holder. 2 screws from the back and 2 from the side will keep it in place. Finally, add the media rollers like this. They will be slightly loose when installed, and that's okay. Now take the stand and put it in a place where you'll want your cutter to be permanently. Check to make sure that you'll have access to both the front and back of the cutter. In the next session, we'll install the cutter on top of the stand and install the grounding wire.